This is question 43 from section B of the 2018 PBSAA paper.
This question relates to the conditions required by the tip of a plant shoot in order for the tip to grow towards light from one direction. So here are three conditions, and all of this relates to phototropism, i.e. the growth of a plant in the direction of light, or directional light. So we have our three conditions, but before we come to them, let's think about what's actually the mechanism behind phototropism. So if we take a plant shoot where there's no directional light, there's a substance called auxin which is found in the tip of plant shoots, and it's distributed fairly evenly across, and auxins promote growth. If we have directional light, the auxin migrates over to the shaded side, either side away from the light, and promotes growth, only on this side. Therefore, with time, there will be a bending of the new growth of the shoot towards the light, as there's more cell elongation and growth on the shaded side. So based on that, we can say that the conditions required will be conventional conditions for cell growth, that being adequate access to energy, respiration in order to promote growth, and also the distribution of auxin on the shaded side. So sufficient glucose, well, that will be required for respiration, so that's correct. Uneven distribution of plant hormone, as we see, is a key driver of phototropism, and sufficient oxygen is required for aerobic respiration, which is what these plants will need to carry out. In the absence of glucose and in the absence of oxygen, there'll be no growth at all, let alone any growth in a phototropic direction. So we can say our answer is that all three statements are conditions required by the cells for phototropism, and our answer is option H.